Hi everyone, welcome to Integrate AV Expo, and we're here at the Cynics ASI Microsoft stand to show you the Surface Hub 2S, which is going to be released very, very soon. We've got the device here actually, it's on a steel case roaming stand. This device is actually designed to be modular, which is quite exciting. So we've got a 4K camera up top. This is also a 4K plus device, and it comes with the pen too. This mobile stand is built by Steelcase, and it does have the ability of putting an APC battery into it to really enable that mobility capability. What we're actually showing you here right now is we're on a Teams call. So this is a meeting room device that can be booked, and you also have a calendar as well, so you can book the device in a meeting room scenario. But we want to really enable collaboration. So I've brought up the Microsoft Whiteboard app here. The Whiteboard app is actually available on the Microsoft Store, so you can download it now on Windows 10. So a couple of things, the device is actually 10 points of touch, but we like to use the pen mostly. The reason that we have colors is because you retain more information when you're actually using different colors on a whiteboard. So really important. We've got rainbow pens, we've got galaxy pens, we also have highlighters. A couple of other things, we do have a ruler, so if you wanted to draw straight lines, you're able to make that content too. All of the information on here is dynamic, so I can then select certain bits of information, be able to change it around. It's using vectors, so you won't lose the quality on that stuff. One of the really cool things is I can be on any device anywhere in the world and be collaborating on the Surface Hub 2. So I've got my Surface Pro here. I'm able to write, put content on here, and you can see that filter down through here. When you get a couple of notes up on your screen, you want to make sure that they're actually organized. So you have the capability of stacking information on top of each other and be able to collapse information as well. You can also go and look up information from online to be able to pull it down. So I'm going to look up an orange here. It recognizes my handwriting. It goes to the internet. It basically pulls all images of oranges. So you don't want to disturb your workflow. You want to be able to bring in information from anywhere, be able to stack it, move it, and then unstack information as well. One of the key things we're trying to do is remove whiteboards, remove paper and butcher's paper. The reason for that is as soon as you use butcher's paper and whiteboards, you're actually duplicating work because it's not digital. This is a photo of a whiteboard that I've just posted in from my phone. We have the ability of actually pulling out all the information from that whiteboard and then making it dynamic. So then I can go and erase bits of information, be able to change information here as well, which is quite unique. One thing to note is whiteboard is a very small component of this device. It is a Windows 10 Teams device, so you can go and install applications from the Microsoft Store to enable different use cases. I'll show you another one. So Maps, for example, we have a Maps application. It's using 3D maps. I can use touch and pen to basically control it. But because we have a touch and pen enabled device, why don't we actually measure distance? So I want to figure out the distance from here to here. It'll tell me the distance there. I want to get directions from here to here. It'll actually figure out and it'll give me the directions and the bus, the way to go around getting a bus or being able to walk that same distance as well. But with these applications, we want to pull that information and content out and then actually put it on our whiteboard. So with Surface Hub, any application, you're able to snip the screen and then select content and then add that into your whiteboard. Once you're finished, you hit end session. It gives you 10 seconds to save all the content, and when you hit the tick, it'll refresh the device, it'll reset it completely with no data left on it, ready for the next meeting.